Hi, in this video we're going to look at how to use the sweep tool to create a profile and then make that profile follow a path to create a 3D model. So this can be used to create different shapes like tubes, for example, where you might create a circle as a profile and then create a curved line that circle follows to create a 3D model. So for this example, I'm going to draw in the front plane. So I'm going to click on the sketch tool here and then select the front plane. And then I'll hit N on the keyboard so I look at that front plane front on. And what I'm going to do is I'll start by creating a circle in one sketch, and then I'm going to create a separate sketch for the path that I want that circle to create. Now, it doesn't have to be a circle, it could be a cube, it could be a square, a rectangle, or we could use the line tool and arc tools to create a different shape, but I'm just going to create a circle. So I'll use the center point circle here, and I'll just draw that out from the origin. All right, not worried about the dimensions, just any circle for this example. And then I'll click the green tick to finish up that sketch. And that's on the front plane. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change to view from the right hand side, and I'll draw on the right plane, and I'll create a path coming out from the front of this circle that the circle is then going to follow. Alright, so I'll click on sketch again. So now we're creating a second sketch. I'll select the right plane. And we can see actually from the right hand view here, we can see that circle that we created before. We can see the line on the side of the circle, and we can also see the center of it as well, which is the origin. What I'm going to do, and I could use the line tool to create some different lines like this, so I could snap it to the center of the circle and create a line like that, or just undo that. I could also use the arc tool as well. So I could click here and then maybe down here and then swing an arc out like that. All right, so you can use the line tool or the arc tools to create a path that this circle, if we just click green tick to finish that sketch, that the circle that we created before is going to follow. So this circle here is going to follow this path to create a 3D model. All right, to do that, we're going to use the sweep tool, which is up here. So I'll click on sweep, and then I'll show you two ways of doing this. So you could either choose solid or surface. If you click solid, that's going to create a solid 3D model where both ends, so one up here and one down here, both ends of the shape are closed. If you click surface, then it's going to make this circle follow the path, but it will be a hollow shape. All right, so I'll show both examples. Choose solid. Firstly, what I need to do is select a face that I want to sweep. So that's the circle. Second thing I need to do is select the sweep path, which is this arc. And that's it. So it's created a 3D solid shape. All right, you can see both ends there are closed. All right. So the other method is that you can click surface instead, and it's the same method. You would select the face, the shape. So actually, I'll just undo that sweep first because I've already got a sweep. So I'll just cancel that. Click on sweep again. Choose surface first, and we're creating a new surface. So rather than changing that, creating a new sweep rather than changing the existing sweep. Click surface, choose the face, which is the circle, and then click on sweep path and choose that path there. All right, so now this time it's both ends of this sweeped shape are empty, so it's a hollow shape. It's just the surface that's been swept using the sweep tool. It's not a solid object. Okay, so yeah, that's basically how to use the sweep tool in Onshape. Again, you can create different types of paths, whether you're using the line tool or the arc tool or something else, and you can create different types of profiles to sweep as well, whether you use the circle tool, rectangle tool, combination of arc tool or line tools to create different types of complicated shapes for your profile. So it's 2 steps. You create your profile in one view, and then you create the path in another view that you want that shape to sweep on. Anyway, that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to start looking at how to use the loft tool. Thanks for watching.